Enjoying your hammock?
We're Jess and Miles. In 2019, we quit our jobs to pursue a dream of long-term travel around the world. We believe putting yourself somewhere new on a map and getting exposure to new places and cultures is the best way to open your eyes and broaden perspectives. We created our channel Waypoint of View to share our journey, and we hope you will subscribe to follow along. We are currently in our 10th country of the Philippines. We started our time here with a multi-day trek through the ancient rice terraces of Banaue. We then made our way down to Port Barton on the island of Palawan, and yesterday we did an island hopping boat tour. Today we will be exploring more of the quiet and charming Port Barton.
It's our second full day in Port Barton. Yesterday we explored on the water, and today we're going to be exploring on land. We're going to go rent a motorbike, and then our first stop is a waterfall.
We rented a motorbike from our guest house for 400 pesos. Safety first.
We just got gas and we are headed out of town. We were warned by multiple people that these roads are not in the best condition. I think the waterfall is only a few miles away, but really not sure how long it's going to take us to get there. Big lizard. The nice road is ending.
And we're not sure which way to go, left or right.
Is the waterfall this way? Oh, this way? Okay, thank you. Waterfall!
Yeah.
Oh, cool, thanks. Right it is. We're parking here.
Looks like we're on foot from here. Should be about a 15-minute walk.
Drive wasn't too bad.
No.
Wasn't the worst road we've ever been on.
It was not a great road, but definitely not the worst we've driven. So parking is free and there's not any real cost to enter, but they do have a donation box. So we gave 20 pesos and we're headed to the waterfall. So far the trail's been pretty easy. It's mostly flat and it's been following the creek. It's really nice.
We made it.
Pretty popular spot today. Now it's time for a swim.
That was a nice waterfall. The water was cool and refreshing. I definitely say it was worth the effort to come out here and mix it up from the beach. But now we are headed back to Port Barton because it's time for lunch.
Time to get some new sandals. This one finally met its match.
Someone's grouchy. Since being in Southeast Asia, we have developed a really bad habit of drinking way too much Coca-Cola.
And beer.
And Snickers. And Oreos.
And Pringles.
And Pringles.
So many great habits.
But man, it's good. Look
Oh.
at those. Classic cheese, that's me.
Wow.
Ooh, yours looks good. Mexican.
Yes.
Yum. It's time to address this situation.
I can't just walk around with one shoe all day. I'm gonna be the only person with tennis shoes at the beach. Ready to go.
Now we are headed about 5 kilometers south of Port Barton to White Beach. We also heard this road was quite bad. No more nice paved road.
We made it. That road was definitely bad. This beach is great, and every boatman in Port Barton is offering a round-trip ride for 300 pesos a person, which makes it seem like that's the only way you can get here, when in fact it's only 5 kilometers away. The road is pretty crappy, but it's a lot cheaper than the boat ride. Enjoying your hammock?
Coconut Beach.
No coconuts at Coconut Beach.
Time to head back to Port Barton. Here's our girl with a machete and some straws. White Beach had no coconuts, Coconut Beach had no coconuts, so you're my hero. Thank you.
Cheers.
Now it's time to head back to Port Barton.
It's about 4 o'clock and we just got back to our place to return the motorbike.
Time to go post up somewhere for sunset. So we actually came to this place last night for dinner, and while the food was really good, the live music was amazing, so we're back again.